I take this time on behalf of our government to thank you for the work that has been ongoing for the last few years and even today. Today marks another chapter in our history. We are celebrating independence, our independence, the 44th year of our independence. And also we are celebrating the theme for this year is celebrating Fiji's new dawn. So it's a new era, it's a new dawn for us. We have a new government. The people have voted, you have voted. We now have a new government to take us to the next 4 years. And we have a new constitution. We have a new parliament, even though it was an old parliament, but it's been renovated new. And we hope that most of the decisions that will be made in that parliament, decision for everybody, for all Fijians. The election is over. This government is for all Fijians. This government is for the privileged, the underprivileged. As long as you are Fijian, this government is for you. And the door is always open. I think you have, the people have elected us to represent you in government. So with those words, I'll invite some of the children so that we can take part in cutting the cake and maybe do all the stuff.